Let's take a look at an equipment hack in action. If you want to see the original equipment hack explanation video, check below for the link. The first clip that you're going to watch is a student holding her reins before we use the equipment hack. This student has been working on holding her reins at an appropriate level and not lifting them up too high when she asks her horse for a halt.
Okay, so Olivia, can you please gently pick up your reins for a whoa? Gently pick your reins up. Yes. Okay, now gently put them down.
The second clip is during the same lesson, and we have applied the equipment hack of putting the Velcro straps around the reins so that it offers a little bit of resistance to the rider as she picks her reins up for a halt.
Olivia, can you please gently pick up your reins? Gently pick them up, gently. Good. Thank you. Now can you gently set them down? Olivia, can you gently set your reins down on Ducky's neck? Thank you.
And this third and final clip is again during the same lesson. We have gone around the arena and practiced a few more halt transitions where she was using her reins with the equipment hack. And now you can see that we have taken the equipment hack off and we are back to just regular reins. And this student has made a very drastic improvement on her ability to hold the reins at an appropriate height.
Olivia, can you please gently pick up your reins? Gently pick them up, gently. Good. Thank you. Now can you gently set them down? Olivia, can you gently set your reins down on Ducky's neck? Thank you.
This equipment hack worked extremely well for this rider, but remember that there are multiple ways and methods and various levels of support that you can use to help teach your student how to hold their reins in the appropriate way and at the appropriate height. This is definitely not a one-size-fits-all solution for all students, but hopefully this equipment hack has given you another tool to put in your toolbox of instructor teaching techniques and methods.